Test, dude, test. Can you hear me? Oh. Twitch. Boom. Oh, I heard something. Okay. Somebody talking. Boom. Oh, shoot, JV. What's up, JV? It's been a while. James. Shouldn't call you. I don't know why. I always say JV, but I know your name is James. Actually, do I know Whippeg's name? I feel like I should know his name. Let me think. Brendan? No. I don't know your name, Square Peg. I forgot. Been at work? James, are you still working on that FPS? That thing I saw in the PAX South? Man, PAX South. I felt like forever ago. Literally. I mean, it was in January. Ben. Alright, I'll remember Ben now. Ben, Square Peg. Yeah. What's your project about? Yeah, you were a head clot. Yeah. Yeah, so Ben, what are you working on? Never told me what you're working on. As for me, obviously, I'm just working on basically trying to crunch this game, get it done, get it over with. Having not been successful in attaining additional funding for the game, other than the Kickstarter, but that only lasts so long. Got planned for release now. Epic is I don't know what's up with Epic's Mega Grant stuff. Kind of crazy. They keep me on the hook. They keep saying they're going to review my stuff. They continue to review my process. Thank you for the update. I send an update like once a month ish, sometimes every 2 months. I'm like, oh yeah, cool, thanks for your update. Well, get to you when we get to you. I don't know. I said some nice, I authored a really nice video that broke down all the stuff that's been happening in an update, and what we wanted for and all this good stuff. It was a nice video too, a nice presentation. Not one single view. I was a little hurt. Spent a lot, at least a week on that video too. VR sword fighting game, X or Heart. That could be good. I keep thinking I want to go into back to VR, but I don't think the audience is there anymore. Other than what was the Half-Life thing? Alyx. Other than that game this year, I don't think there's any big, huge VR game, right? I'm pretty sure they bought their indexes and stuff, and they probably just put them back after they're done with the game. Put up in storage. Got all my VR headsets over here too. Kind of sad actually. I have my Vive index, my Valve index over here too. I opened the box, but I never put it on. I spent $1,000 on that sucker. Wait, was it $1,000? Now I can't remember. No, I had the controllers. That's right. So I only spent $500-$600. Whatever the headset was. Never put it on. I have the Oculus Quest there, sitting there too. I didn't get the second one because I don't know. Maybe later. Got a whole bunch of Vives and regular wrists too over here. Boom, boom. That's a work. Arctic truck. That is Arctic truck. Oh, I've never heard of that. You might have to draw a link there. Yeah, I have like 6 knuckles. For some weird reason, they gave me a whole bunch of knuckles. So I have a whole bunch of knuckles, just one headset though. Okay. So going to oh, wrong one. Oh, there we go. So here the goal is to make sure that every single UI element works in the following aspect ratio. So I've already started working on it. Probably maybe even more than halfway now. 5x4. So there's the IR arcade little thing. Kind of Yankee. I can't. It's basically like a little arcade system. Optional, stand or whatever. But it's a cool little thing. It's a Android machine. So think, I guess Ouya, something like that, but with like arcade sticks. Oh, never mind. I was gonna show you, but I don't want to break anything. But anyway, so that's back there. I reported the game to our Android, so it works just fine. Atari VCS. So UE4 does not support VCS. Not in the way that I'm used to anyway with other consoles. So I can't show you any of my dev kits actually. I can show you the Atari VCS, but that's already connected to the TV inside the other room. But I mean, you've seen the pictures. It's nothing really crazy. Nothing, nothing all that great. The Atari VCS is pretty powerful. It's powerful enough. I mean, obviously, it's not gonna be. It's not trying to. Oh, so it's kind of competing. It's trying to compete with next gen in price anyway, but not in performance, right? So the hardware is definitely lacking, but it's still a pretty powerful little system. It's nice. Actually, hold on, let me see. All right, getting distracted here. But I just grabbed it off the thing. I just unhooked all the cables. Well, yeah, I think. I don't know. PS4 has quite a bit. I think it has enough cables anyways. So it's got hold on. Is there personal back here? I want to make sure there's no thing here. Okay, there's not. So this is the Atari VCS. So they had an Indiegogo. They had like 2 different models, but in the end, they upgraded everybody's bottom tier to the top tier one, which is good for everybody who who bought the cheaper one. Build quality is not bad. I mean, really, it isn't bad. I mean, it's like a little wood and feels like wood, real wood. But how much wood is actually there? Everything else is plastic, feels like cheap. The cool thing is that you can. I don't want to break it. So you can. I forgot how to do it though, because I think there's another somewhere else. I forgot. Maybe there's 2 screws somewhere hidden. But you can take it apart, open it up, and actually expand the basically almost all the components. I don't think. I mean, I would have to. I haven't opened it up completely yet. I would imagine the APU, or whatever you want to call it, the embedded, whatever it's called, AMD embedded system stock. Not really an APU. I mean, it is, but it's called something else. That thing, whatever it's called, from AMD, I probably don't think that can get switched out. I would assume that whatever next generation that the AMD goes out is probably not good. But anyway, you can do the memory and the storage and stuff. It's got a couple of USBs in the front and back. There's two in the front. USB 3 ports. The stupid thing, this is one thing I don't like, is that the power button's in the back. So you kind of have to turn it on from behind. Basically, no. How much RAM? RAM is I think 8. Pretty sure. I don't know. And like I said, I haven't opened it up, but pretty sure it gave me docs and stuff. Just haven't read it. Anyway, I'm one of the first though from UE4 that are actually supporting the VCS. I'm actually going to drop my demo. I was trying to do it before they quote unquote official launch, which is happening at the end of the month, but I doubt it's going to happen. We got to work on a whole bunch of other random things. And so I have some, okay, so, that's one thing. So the OS is basically Linux. Not Ubuntu, it's Debian. I don't know crap about Linux. I mean, report to Linux. I know the very bare minimum Linux needed port a game to Linux. I don't know much about Linux. I think it's not Ubuntu though. I think it's Debian. So as long as you could port to Linux, and then obviously troubleshoot whatever the heck is wrong, it'd be okay. It's just the problem is just you can't hook it up to UE4 or that doesn't work. So it's not supported out of the box. I don't know if it's ever going to be supported out of the box. But yeah, I mean, $400 for a I don't even know if it's 50% of a Xbox Series S in performance, but I'm sure as soon as this one launches, because both have launched now, the other ones, SX and PS5s, sure someone's going to compare. If someone is willing to give me an Xbox Series S and an X and a PlayStation 5, I will surely compare all of them. For $400 though, it's a tough sell. This S is like $300. That's crazy. All right, there we go. Going back to what we're doing. So, we're trying to support multiple ratios, aspect ratio. The IR Arcade back there, Android-based like game machine. That has a very unusual 5x4 aspect ratio. 1280, 1024. So I want to do that, and so far going okay. That aspect ratio is really weird. So I tried to target that first, or actually when it comes to reorganizing my thing, and then hopefully everything else works out well with anchors. 21.9 is also another one. Right now I'm on a 1440p monitor, so I actually have to take a 29.9 screen resolution, but it'd be alright, which I totally forgot to put it down. But so here, something I just was already working on. I kind of hate Unreal when it comes to this with UMG. So this preview is showing me, scales 1.1, 1280, 1024. This is what it's showing me. It's clearly showing me that this LB button is out. is out of the bounds of this canvas. So is this RB1. If I hit play, however, oops, they're in here. It's super annoying. I haven't tested on the arcade yet, so I have to look and actually confirm that. But yeah, I mean, whatever, it's in there. Obviously, if I just maximize this, the problem is this little bar up here. Oh, you probably can't. There's this bar up here. This is somehow included. And screws up the whole calculations. But anyway, I mean, obviously, by now. $1920 by 1200. That's a 16 by 10 ratio, and that is basically that's then we're gonna have to 60 by 9 resolution is gonna be, what is it? Shoot, we got 2560 by 1080. That's okay. 2560 by 1080. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 720, which what is 2560 divided by 21? Wait, does that even make sense? No, that doesn't make sense. Somebody tell me the math. I'm just gonna look it up because I don't want to do the math. 1680. Close enough. Oh look, I already looked. 1680. Yeah, cool. 1680. Let's do that. Forget the math. 1680. So it's okay. The problem here will be welcome back. How much can you expand the RAM? Well, actually, let me look at those docs. Hardware reference, specs, processor, for specification. British, all legal. I can do what? Rank 2019 probably is okay, but whatever. Operating system, custom Linux OS. Doesn't tell me the max. This tells me 8 gigs DD4 RAM, upgradable. Raven. Yeah, the controller's cool though. I like the old school controller. I would love to do like a custom game for them if they paid. Do anything. It was. But that's actually not. Must be something. Must be different. I didn't think this little bit of a bar was going to really mess it up. But I do have a 21:9 monitor, so I should try it. I won't. Yep. That'd be okay. Concerned about this, but got that later. All right, so the pause menu I just did also. If y'all haven't, what you so you might not be a great level, but base level. Bottom you'll see it's basically stating that I cannot go into 2D. If I try again. Boom. Go, 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 go. Boom. This one. Yep. I got these penguins. They're super annoying. Oops. Oh, shoot. Oh, what else got? The coins. For the game, you can switch between 2D and 3D, and also between your physical form and ghost form. Oh crap. Oh, God, I do. Anyway, that's not really good. Ghost form. Maybe. These aren't really cool. This is Fluffy Lands. Fluffy Land. Oh, I can't remember. I haven't played this one. Alright, let's try. So these actually, after a few seconds, these go away. Which reminds me, looks weird. We do checkpoint system. Oh, this is actually not bad. What was I just? Yeah, so actually, I totally forgot to check 29:9 with all the new stuff that. I totally forgot the checkpoint system. Assist mode, enter checkpoint. Oh, there's something definitely wrong. X, Y, Z. What? So I wasn't really paying attention. Oh, funny. Yeah. How do I get it? Because I don't know. Ah. Only good when you got. Boom. Ah. 1, 2. No. Oh, I cannot believe that. Oh, I totally almost messed it up. Cotton candy. Alright, so I came here for the. Anyway, use skills form to kill enemies at your own desire. I choose to usually not. No. Kill me. Anyway. Back to UI, what we're doing. The level select. I think we were good with this. The world biome. Pretty confident this is good. Also, gonna be alright. Alright, so oh no. Keys. It up. So all the hinting. Action. Oh. So I collapsed the overlay, which means all the children are that. Problem was stupid little thing here. But no, can't steam. All right. There's a annoying right side one's done. Oh, give me relay. No purpose whatsoever. What is, yo? What is? Yeah, so good. Jira tool. Go. Boom. Alright, so now let's close all tabs. Now let's go to the level select screen. And we go to one of those levels. And if we here, so dot this. Aspect ratio if I turn off. Pretty sure. That those bars. Oh yeah. So I mean, obviously, the strain aspect ratio is good if you have a scene that is like specific, right? So we're looking at this camera, damn well know that you only intended it to be whatever wide, 1080, 1920 wide, at 25, then you might have some stuff that you didn't want to show. I mean, not even that more. I'm assuming this by 9. Like words good sometimes, but not all the time. So problem is, if you look at the bottom, have weird. This here X one. Data. That. Okay. The world biome button. This. Button. This can. You have a canvas. So look at this again. So this, oh, I totally heard 1980. All right, so summon that actually it was properly. So child. All right, so we got that. Yeah. Okay. So we have why's the A in here? Now what should we do? It's over here. That sucker's down here. This. I mean, it has freaking 21.9 monitor or TV, so it might be something. We definitely get bigger. Alright, so put it on now. And it. .480, 1024. Ah, I done messed up. Alright, got that. That's fine. All right, moving up. To seven. No select solutions. Okay. Oh crap. Oh. Yeah, Bob. All right, border. Cool border, awesome. What is this? A little keyboard. Go skill. Oof. Oof, oof, oof. Boom. Alright. Oh, toy. 10, 4. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da. Oh, man. Not enough space. Alright, so that's not gonna work. The cube looks like how I feel after using one all day. What's up, Charlie? So smaller. Take care. Cut. Build it. I like this. All right, the image in the middle. And this board. Oh, why? Go 50, 100. 80. Let's see how small. Play. Didn't look like that enough. Get rid of it. Oh, word. That'd be. Preference. So that. How's your day going or night, Vcs? How is your? Okay. Probably make it a little bigger. Hey, oh, looks kind of. Go with. Time to leave LA. Yeah. What everybody's doing, man. You've been working remotely, right? You don't work in the game industry, right? You work in software engineering, right? You're a software engineer at some company. I don't know what company you work for. Think about it. I don't know if you ever stated that, but you don't have to. No biggie. But big cities, man. Like, oh, you're doing animation for Disney. Oh, you work in VFX. For some reason, I thought you were a software engineer. You should. It's more fun, and as you can see, it is definitely pandemic proof. Yeah, I can't believe how much money has been made in games this year. It's super annoying. I wish obviously could have, would have, should have, released the game earlier, maybe made some money, but yeah, the games industry is pretty damn resilient. Oh, you do? Oh yeah, so you do software engineering. That's not. Yeah, I don't know. It's I enjoy it. It's fun. But you probably, since you worked, you probably want to go AAA, right? If you went over games, you probably wouldn't do indie. Indie's fun and all, but a lot of work. You're definitely not pigeonholed in a certain discipline. But this is a kid. Board. Oh. Do that. You and your own damn camera speed. 1300, 1300. That. Oh, this. Droid. Okay. Oh no. And the keyboard cam is under the keyboard. Oh. Stupid. Ah, UMG. AAA or indie? One of the big fun things, even money has become less of a reason. That could just end up in Pittsburgh making assets for some weird educational 3D place. Who knows? You got nothing in front of me, so. I don't know. So indie will probably give you a challenge if you're looking for a challenge. If you're not looking for money, right? If it's not a money thing, then if it's more of a challenge thing, then indie is the way to go, right? If you're a pipeline engineer and you can develop tools for plugins, anything in that nature, or any game, right? Doesn't matter. That's also great, but then you also do VFX, so that's like something that's funny because that's something that I have been looking for, like someone to work VFX for Neko Champ, right? Because we've been doing okay. We've just been hacking and slashing off marketplace assets and just trying to convert them over to the game's art style and stuff, and it's okay, but yeah, it's definitely a thing. So you would work very well in an indie scene because obviously you're multidisciplined, and that's what a lot of you're going to be wearing hats, multiple hats usually in indie. So that's also good. Yeah, if you're like you're bored of VFX, want to do something new. All right, so I did that. Did I do 5? I feel like I'm this part. Oh, this is also this way. Put down to 90, 100. Multiple hats. Welcome to my career. You do? You're doing a whole bunch of different things? What else do you do other than VFX and pipeline stuff? You do? Oh yeah, what kind of pipeline stuff? How about like automation or like you said tools? The tools, right? Oh, the heck? No, you just said build pipelines. Oh. But anyways, you didn't say that. But tools. Model, texture, rig, light, comp, edit, render. What? Yeah, we were just talking. I was talking to my other programmer, which now I made him the lead programmer because I want to spend less time programming and more time on the other crap. I mean, I still do programming, but it's not that big a deal. I was just talking to him though. I was like, man, kind of want to automate our builds. You know, do nightly builds. Just have it like automated, and so we can run tests and then do some gauntlet stuff. Just some like test random things. We can see what breaks, what doesn't, more often. Especially since we're getting closer to release. But I don't know. He said that. He said he did it. He hasn't done it in UE4, but he did it for something else in his company. He said that he says it might take a few weeks to a month. So I'm like, I don't know if I really want to waste, a couple weeks or a month on trying to set up an automation build. I've seen some write-ups though online to automation builds with Jenkins and stuff. I've never worked with Jenkins before. I remember trying to look into it a long time ago, but I'd never done Jenkins. So I don't know how much effort is really involved on that stuff. Yeah. Maya Max, yeah, that's crazy, dude. Python, Coffee, and Dream. You know Lua? Do you know Lua by any chance? I just started catching up on my Lua again. I have a play date. This cute little thing right here. Canon. The Lua play date. Is it really bright? The heck? What? Anyway, play date. Not bad. It's like pretty durable plastic, but it is kind of cheap plastic. Plastic anyway. Cute little. Sorry, your player has crashed. But anyways, this little play date thing. So pretty cool. Made from Panic to the pubs of Untitled Goose and what was that game they published? Tempo? No. Firewatch? I think they published Firewatch too. Yeah, it is kind of like a Tamagotchi. It's a cute little thing. It's beefy in the sense that it's got really nice LCD screen. Really nice. That was like the most expensive part of the whole thing. I don't know how well that's gonna do. I was talking to I don't know if you've seen the Atari VCS yet, but I have one. The developer kit. Launching. I'm gonna push Neko's jump on the Atari VCS. But this is $400 competing against next gen consoles. I mean, just the Xbox S alone is probably twice as powerful as this, and $100 less. I don't know how well it's gonna do, but if every board a VCS owner buys my game though, I might make some money. There's actually not a lot of games. Actually, I just looked too. There's not a lot of games that are coming out at launch. So I don't know. It's not like an Ouya, whatever. It's probably gonna persist a little bit longer. I don't know how long, but doesn't look it. The API. Is it just fire and forget? So are we talking about the VCS or are we talking about the Playdate? I don't know which one. But if you talk about the VCS, it has no integration with UE4. But it's a Linux-based system, so basically, not basically, but if you can launch on Linux, then you're at least about 70% of the way there. And then so what I was gonna say. Yeah, so I actually haven't gotten the demo to work on this yet. I actually haven't even, I haven't, all I need to do, I've just been busy with some other crap, like this UI stuff. I just need to transfer the damn thing over. There's like there's a drive I just need to transfer the damn shish file, whatever. Is it shish? I don't know. I always say shush, but I'm terrible at Linux stuff. But you just transfer the damn package over, and supposedly there's also this build JSON file that I have to do. But anyways, put that in one folder, and supposedly I can play the game on the VCS, which I'll probably end up doing sometime this week. Oh yeah, I got two controllers and granted names too. Yeah, I don't know how they messed that up. I think it was ahead of its time though. If you think about it, when did that launch? In 2013? Or was the Kickstarter in 2013? Investigative work here real quick. We got Kickstarter 2013. When did it launch? I don't know. And somehow Razer bought it out. Actually, that's crazy. I didn't realize that. I don't know what ever happened to that, but so they started in 2013. Oh, maybe that was wrong. The Kickstarter happened? I don't know. It must have happened in 2012 because there's no way they started shipping in March 2013. Finished, okay, yeah, August 9th. 12. Yeah, so 2012, 2013 to launch, and then like 2015, I mean, after that, I mean, it was pretty much DOA. Nothing really happened. I remember also they did the freeze for. So I remember this. So this is when I left the Marines in November 2013, right? So I got out. So I remember this actually. This is around the same time because I was going to school for game dev like a few months later. So I remember I was like reading up on all the stuff that was going on with the game industry. This is actually very interesting that they did this, like a dollar for dollar match. So you had to do a Kickstarter campaign, and if you got $50,000 or more, they would give you that amount. That's actually interesting. But anyways, I think it was ahead of its time. If you think about it, the indie scene was still in its like, this is where it was in it, the golden age, right? This is where we had the prime indie developers that we didn't have the tools, the easy to use tools like we do now, right? So we have UE4, we have Unity might have been okay back then, but I don't know. Game Maker, I don't know. When did Unity come out? I mean, okay, so it says 2005. So yeah, so Unity was back then. So other than Unity, but I don't remember anybody using Unity back then. So anyways, it was hard to develop, right? It wasn't, the indie scene wasn't as big back then. So the Ouya was really just an indie platform, right? It was a huge just indie platform. Also, the whole thing with it being Android based might have been kind of sweet. I think if the Ouya 2.0, whatever you want to call it, launched today at $99, it could do pretty well. I mean, look at the Stadia. Even though the Stadia didn't do as well, and I think I got the Founders Edition too, and that's like in a box. I think that cost me like $200 because I got like an additional controller. But that thing was garbage, right? Nobody likes streaming games. I mean, even though that seems like the direction a lot of people are going into, a lot of money is getting invested in there. it feels like it just feels like, I don't know, this just feels weird. But if Ouya had launched now, probably not Android based, and probably even if it's Android based, whatever, and $99, it would be pretty beefy in performance, right? Like 7 years later, whatever. It could definitely compete with at least the Switch, performance wise, anyway. Yeah, I think it would do a lot better. There would be for sure a flood of indies trying to support it, and you just never know. But there hasn't really been a huge like Kickstarter for hardware, other than the Atari Vcs that I remember recently. That's the only thing, unless there's some retro thing. Like there was this retro in a keyboard thing. All right, so check because I sure okay. Yeah, do something else with this keyboard. Add two. All right. It works. Cool. I call this a okay. Oh, okay. You can read it. Okay, so you can week 79. Asks you another word for factoring. Clean up keyboard image. They refactor. Way too much space. So need to be but leave it alone. Leave it alone. Half a day. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. 1280 by no 80 by 720. 80, 20. Yeah, it's okay. It's 1200. Oh. Go 407 keyboard. Read the aspect sheet. Boom, 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 boom. 2. Boom, boom. Ugh, part 3. That day. Gosh. Okay. But that doesn't work. This one sure is not working. Yep. Got a plan. Ugh, wardrobe. On attack. Boom, and it's too. Shoot. Easily. think next time you need to those variables. Needs to make the substance designer of music? What do you mean by that? They can create their own music? I mean, isn't that what the stuff like Reaper and FL Studios for? What would it be? Node flow for sound? I could I don't think I've ever really touched too much sound. I mean, other than bebop and there's this Nintendo thing. Yeah, I've not really done any hard look into those things. It always looks super complicated. You know, I have no inclination to sound any music, but it always fascinated me when I looked at the what the heck. I'm like, oh, I can't. Wish I could a little bit just so that I can do my own music at the very least, like something even small. Do it. Feels like it's very overwhelming. I hate learning new. I mean, I don't hate learning, but sometimes when trying to learn something new, if there's not enough documentation or easy to digest documentation. Okay. Rose reactor. Okay. So I didn't do this logic. I have to now quickly. Curious because supposedly but loop 3 days. Get that. Cool. How do you know when to variable? You hard coded some. Selected item and rows empty. We shouldn't also think about changing item number to calculating the middle index on middle index is 3. So zoom in Originally this was 7. So 3 would be the middle. Cool. So 7 o'clock. Boom, 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 boom. So that. Alright. Freedom. Dad's real name. Reach loop. Cool. Based off the item. Okay. Length. Alright, this is only gets added here. I suck. Really? 7. So weird. Find a single instance of where Monday DAWs. Oh, DAWs, that's what they're called. A P to use. Yeah. I don't know how to use any of those things. Alright, here we go. definitely want. I don't know. Children, number Adam for each add child. How does it know? That's so weird. Did all the upper right roll to the left? Oh shoot. Is it? Just moving around. I have to find where. Basically shit. That's fine. Alright. So those rows definitely a shit. That and all this is doing is really re-add in the rows. Stop it. Think. Ah, we can do it. Boom, boom, boom. Come on. Do it. That was bad luck. Alright. if that one was a visual one. Poorly implemented. Okay, so we got this. Figure this one. Are they not using a number? That's the problem. Rain fart. A biatch. Whatever. Works. I don't know if I would have done it like that, but okay. Move on now. I need to get something that's smaller. Okay. Water. Why you do this to me, yo? Alright, so smaller. We have saved a lot of space. Space. This. Oh. Cool. Do your thing then. So far away. What else is it? Oh, oh. Okay. 75. Maybe 125. 50, 75, 200. Yeah, but yes. Yeah. Space. You're like this. That. Water. Karen's. And 20. Agreement here. And 20. 20. Cool. It's so big. Oh, okay. Oh, where is this space coming? Oh, the space is. Oh. Two. All right. Whatever. Move to the damn. Oh, where'd it go? I got 50. 100. One. Boom. All right. Called row thingy. Row. Board. That. Test around. Hate you. Why is this? Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Good. Cool. There's you. Should it be in the middle? Alright, go to the left. Oh. Boom, 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 boom. 25. Whatever. You. Negative 50. 25. 25, negative 100, negative 50, negative 130, 50. Here we go. B50. Oh, but why isn't preview here? What's up, bro? $200. So weird. It didn't work out. That works there. Exactly. Player preview panel. $50. Put that one. Mhm. 25. 300. 300. 250. 255. This good. Uh, better. Okay. What's up there, Sarper07 over at the bada bum bum bum. All right, oh, where is it? This selected item. Jeez. You're Turkish. Nice. How is Turkey? We have in America we have Thanksgiving, usually Turkey Day, next Thursday. I highly doubt you have Thanksgiving. That would be quite comical. Turkey celebrated Turkey Day. But yeah, how's it going over there? How's COVID over there in Turkey? I don't have any Turkish friends. You staying safe? You good? Oh. Oh. No. This initial one, did it work? Initial one, does it? Okay, cool. Initial? That's cool. Go. Can use them. Comments aren't doing me any good here. So, again. Well, I guess we're doing the same thing. We're well, just for let's get you. Oh. All right. All right, we come back to this room. Oh, there you go. Oh boy. Ooh. Think. 230. I don't know. I'll see. Wonder. Uh, hard coded weird. Did it? Nope, that didn't work. That didn't work. 2. Boom. All right. I think I checked. I almost gave up, but then not give up. Not bad. Still could be better. The bottom left hint stuff. Not perfect. I'm at a good spot. Not too. You think my best turkey economy? What? I think my best turkey economy. Do I think your economy is the best? I have no idea how the working economy is. Hold up, try. Alright, so that done. Roll. Decent out of it. Last one. Go. Controller wardrobe. Is it? Three more things. Volume. The that's it. Well, enjoy the stream, everybody. Hello, night. Care. Ow.